The 1963 Buick Villa Riviera is one of the most meticulously documented custom cars ever built, created by legendary American designer George Barris, widely known as the King of the Customizers. Its story begins with Barris's long-standing relationship with Buick, dating back to his teenage years when he owned a 1925 Buick Roadster. By the early 1960s, Barris had already established himself through radical custom builds and Hollywood projects, which led the Buick Motor Division to provide him with a brand new 1963 Riviera from their press fleet. The Riviera itself was already celebrated for its styling, credited to designer Bill Mitchell and his team. Barris, however, transformed it into something far more radical. The front end was extended over 6 inches into a V-shaped aerodynamic grille. Hidden headlights, integrated into the grille design, appeared 2 years before Buick introduced the feature in production models. The rear was also extended, featuring custom taillights adapted from a 1957 Rambler, inverted and reshaped. Large sculpted wheel wells accommodated oversized tires mounted on deep-dish chrome Astro wheels. The roof design was equally unconventional, a cantilevered half-landau top covered in pearl white vinyl with an alligator texture. The front section was removable, turning the car into a semi-open cruiser. Inside, the car retained its white leather and walnut trim, but gained advanced features for its time, including a Muntz 4-track stereo system, a Sony micro television, and even a 2-line telephone system. Originally painted in candy apple red, the car underwent a major change when director Leslie Martinson selected it for the 1964 film For Those Who Think Young. To improve on-camera visibility, it was repainted flat white. The film, starring James Darren and Nancy Sinatra, featured the car prominently, even requiring mounts for surfboards. After filming, Barris restored the car to its intended red finish, using 35 coats of translucent paint over a pearlescent base. The Villa Riviera also appeared in the TV series Perry Mason and became a promotional icon, displayed at theaters with film stars present. Its influence extended into popular culture through model kits produced by AMT in 1965. Ownership changed hands in 1983 when Barris sold the car. Subsequent owners modified it, including adding Pontiac Firebird taillights and repainting it in different colors. However, later restorations reversed these changes. In 2015, collector Jeffrey Goldstein acquired the car and undertook a detailed restoration, returning it to its 1964 configuration, including period-correct electronics and custom fabricated components. Today, the Villa Riviera stands as a landmark in custom car history, an example of innovation, craftsmanship, and the blending of automotive design with entertainment culture.